You are currently at the nVent booth at Rockwell Automation. I'm a global product leader at nVent, focusing on climate control solutions. And people are familiar with air conditioners in your car or your home that keep you cool and comfortable. Electronics are no different. Electronics have an optimal temperature that's going to keep them running smooth. Without the right temperature, they could fail. Downtime on average in large facilities is $260,000 per hour. So by using climate control to keep your sensitive electronics running smoothly, you're going to prevent those failures. What we're seeing is modern day electronics are generating more heat. They're getting smaller and they're more powerful, so they're hotter. We're going to see this in industrial, food and beverage, automotive, battery energy storage, renewable energy. Having compact solutions that are going to provide reliable cooling is really important. And not only compact, but robust and compact, meaning they're going to last in these hot environments and where there's a lot of dust, dirt, debris. There could be contaminants, they could be bumps. If you also aren't maintaining the temperature, the lifespan of your electronics is going to degrade. They're not going to last as long. So for every 18 degrees above room temperature, it's going to decrease the lifespan of your electronics in half. We have the entire solution. You're going to get your enclosures, your climate control, your accessories. We have the software to help design it. We have the machines to help cut your panels, your wire processing. So working with one supplier, the need to cool your electronics is not going away, and it's even more needed now as electronics get hotter.